Tired of wasting time looking for where to practice coding? Here are 5 websites that actually help, and they are all free. What's up? I'm Astro Boy, and welcome to Astro Code Lab, where I help you learn to code without the overwhelm. Whether you're just starting out or already building projects, these platforms are perfect for practice, growth, and confidence. First is Freecodecamp, and honestly, it's hard to beat. It covers the basics and beyond: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, APIs, and more. Lessons are hands-on, you build actual projects, and you can earn certifications along the way, all for free. If you're aiming for tech jobs, you need Leetcode. It's packed with coding challenges that test your problem solving and prep you for interviews. It's tough, but it's the kind of practice that helps you stand out when companies like Google and Amazon are hiring. Next is Codewars, a fun way to sharpen your skills. You solve challenges, rank up, and see how other devs approach the same problem. It's gamified learning, and it's actually addictive in a good way. Fourth, Frontendmentor. If you want to get better at front-end design and development, this one's for you. You're given a you're given real UI designs and you code them out like a real project. It's the perfect way to build a strong portfolio. And last, Replit. Replit is a browser-based coding environment. No setups, no downloads, just open code and run. It supports tons of languages and even lets you collaborate or host full apps. Great for testing ideas or learning on the go. Which one are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more coding tips every week. I'm Astro Boy and this is Astro Code Lab. See you in the next one. Keep coding.